Good morning, friends. As a lot of you know, I am planning an extensive road trip coming up very shortly, and today is the day to try to get my van in order. Tell you what, I don't know how full-time van dwellers do it. This van gets so dirty so fast, I can't even believe it. It's just a small space, and then, if there's any kind of weather, you're tracking mud in and out, whether you like it or not. So today's the day. I've got to get this thing cleaned up. So first we're going to wash the outside, then I'm going to vacuum the inside, and this little car wash even has a little shampooer, so I might do some of that. Then I'm going to head out to the lake, see if it's not too crowded, so I can pull everything out of this van and reorganize it. So that is my plan for today. Thanks for coming along to help.
She's Lola. She's lost her mind again. They lost my friend. Lost her land again.
So I got the van washed. It wasn't easy. Man, it's windy again today. But I got it done. I didn't get the inside cleaned out as well as I wanted to, but that's okay. I can get that done later. But yeah, so it's Easter weekend. And normally I don't go camping on holiday weekends. There's just too many people. But my friend John wanted to do some fishing. And I really want to just take like everything out of the van, organize it, and put it all back in. And if I can come out to a campground and kind of spread out and do that, then well, okay. So I decided I'll just go out to Lake Whitney and see if there's an open site. And I texted the park host, he's a friend of mine, and he said there was indeed a couple sites left, but hurry. So I did. I got on the road and came on out. And just talked to him, and he said, yep, site 5 is still available, so I'm going to snag it. Yes, it is definitely a windy day. Look at that. Wind blowing that water. Guy's trying to hold his tent down. Hope he can do that. Cute little trailer. I don't know if you can see that, but there is something very long. Organize this mess. See, in just no time at all, this happens. Yeah, this is real van life, guys. All I did was sleep, get up and watch Totally Kathy. That's all I did. Alright, well, I'm going to organize this mess. Yeah, good times. Alright, we're getting somewhere. It's getting neater. I tell you. So John keeps seeing turtles and gar and all kinds of crazy stuff right here on the shore. And I want to put my GoPro in the water, but I didn't have the right connection for a selfie stick. So this is what we came up with. Let's see if it'll work. So it was really, really windy, so the sound quality of all this is terrible. But basically what was going on here is John and I were just being really, really silly. I just thought, well, it'll be fun. Let's stick the GoPro in the lake. I didn't know what would come of it. So yeah, I devised my little plan with my duct tape and my selfie stick. And I brought my chair down there and yeah, got all settled. So then I decided the selfie stick wasn't long enough. So I got out my hiking pole and some more duct tape. We decided to make it longer. And yeah, like I said, sometimes it's okay to be silly when you're camping. Well, it's okay to be silly anytime. And yeah, we had a good time. So after a little bit of trying, I was able to get a little bit of footage of some minnows, but I never did get any gar or carp. I think I scared them off. Anyway, thanks guys so much for coming along on this little journey with me. I hope you'll join me in the future on my future road trip. I am super excited. Y'all stay lost, my friends. There goes a minnow.